This is Ito, and on today's episode, we're making some blondies for the holidays. This recipe is going to be super easy, it's going to be fun, and it's going to be delicious. Check out this blondie with the ice cream on top. Look at that drip. You see that? This is going to be amazing. I know you're wondering what kind of blondie we're making. Butterscotch and white chocolate blondies. This is going to be so easy. So let's go in the kitchen and get started. So we're going to brown 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Now you're going to have the heat on low during this process. You're going to stir until the butter turns brown. Again, we're not burning the butter. We just want the butter to turn brown. So once you do that, go ahead and transfer that into a large bowl, just like that. And again, browning the butter, not burning the butter. To that brown butter, we're going to add 2 1/4 cups of dark brown sugar, just like that. And then we are going to go ahead and combine those ingredients into a nice smooth consistency, and I'm going to show you exactly how it should look. Alright, go ahead and get your spatula, and you see, look, once you smooth it out, it should look just like that. No clumps, nothing like that. A nice smooth mixture. Okay, from there, go ahead and add 2 large eggs, room temperature eggs. You know, that's the best way when you're baking anything. Add those 2 large eggs, and listen, add a half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now, I had a heavy hand with this, so don't pay attention to that. Again, stick with a half of a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and stir, well, not stir, go ahead and blend those ingredients together, and look, our mixture is coming together. So this is our wet mixture. It's a nice color. From there, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that's all you're going to need. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So those are going to be your dry ingredients. Go ahead and get your mixer, and then you're going to go ahead and combine those ingredients once again. And the mixture should come together and look just like that. Look at that. That looks amazing. Go ahead and get the sides. You're going to make sure that all the flour is incorporated into the mix, just as you see on the screen, and go ahead and mix it together one good old time. Grab you a half cup of butterscotch morsels. Go ahead and add that to the mixture. To that, add another half cup, but this time white chocolate. Now listen, you can adjust to your liking. It's your recipe. I'm just here to guide you, okay? So go ahead and stir and combine and make sure everything is well incorporated. Grab you a non-stick bake pan. If you don't have non-stick, go ahead and add non-stick spray or butter, and then go ahead and add your mixture to that pan so we can go ahead and bake it. Go ahead and spread that bad boy out. Make sure everything is nice and evenly spread out. You definitely want everything to be level. And look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? You want to bake this at 350 for 30 minutes. That's all you need in the oven. And after 30 minutes, we're going to let it cool off for a little bit. And it should look just like that. Look at that. Look at the edges. I love the edges of any brownies or blondies. 30 minutes in the oven, and then 20 minutes you're going to let cool off. And listen, look at that. I'm using a wooden spoon to cut these into squares. That's how soft and chewy these things are. It's going to be amazing. The notes of butterscotch, white chocolate mixed in there. It's amazing. Look at that. Go ahead and plate it up. Add your favorite toppings to it. I'm going to show you one of my favorite toppings, okay? And I'm going to show you the sides real quick. Look at the sides. Nice and chewy. It's soft. You can see it on the camera just how soft it is. And that's what you want. You want your blondies to look just like that. Now, yes, you see I do have 2. I'm greedy. Not ashamed of it. I have 2. I added some good old French vanilla ice cream on top. Didn't have any vanilla bean, but that's okay. Added some ice cream on it, and there you have it. Look at those blondies. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. I'm going to enjoy this for the holidays. Indulge. Have fun. This has been another episode of Eats with Twan, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Y'all see I was eating, right? Have a happy holidays, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay up and have a good one.